In the United States we say good morning. In Germany we say guten Morgen. In France we say bonjour. In Spain we say buenos dias. In Italy we say buongiorno. In Portugal we say bon dia. In the Netherlands we say gode morgen. In Sweden we say god morgen. In Norway we say god morgen. In Denmark we say god morgen. In Finland we say hyvää huomenta. In Poland we say dzień dobry. In Greece we say kalimera. In the United Kingdom we say good morning. In Ireland we say Maayong. In China we say zao shanghao. In Japan we say ohayo gozaimasu. In Korea we say jonachim. In India we say suprabhat. In Pakistan we say subha bakhair. In Thailand we say sawadee don chao. In Vietnam we say ciao buhay sang. In Indonesia we say selamat pagi. In the Philippines we say magandang umaga. In Turkey we say günaydın. In Saudi Arabia we say sabah al khair. In Israel we say boker tov. In Kenya we say habari za asubuhi. In Nigeria we say karo. In South Africa we say goeiemorgen. In Ghana we say make. In Somalia we say subak swanaksam. In Ethiopia we say tenayistilay. In Tanzania we say habari asubuhi. In Madagascar we say salamat tomboko. In Zimbabwe we say mangwanani. In Algeria we say sabah al khair. In Morocco we say sabah al khir. In Tunisia we say sabah al khir. In Mexico we say buenos dias. In Brazil we say bom dia. In Argentina we say buenos dias. In Chile we say buenos dias. In Peru we say buenos dias. In Paraguay we say Maayong pacoelho. In Colombia we say buenos dias. In Venezuela we say buenos dias. In Canada we say good morning. In Haiti we say bon matin. In Jamaica we say good morning. In Greenland we say good morning. In Australia we say good morning. In New Zealand we say morena. In Fiji we say yadra. In Samoa we say talofa. In Tonga we say malo ele.